Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I just had my hardwood floors refinished and I was looking for an easy and effective solution to help keep them protected. I want to show you these awesome little furniture pads. These are from CasterMasters and these are a great solution to not only protect your flooring but also keep your furniture from sliding around. As you can see, when I sit in this chair that normally will slide whenever I put my weight down on it, it stays put so well. These little furniture cups are an absolute breeze to install. You simply lift the corner of the furniture piece that you want to use them with, slide it underneath, and then it is going to stay put. And you can have that peace of mind that your flooring is going to be protected as well. I got a set of 4 of these in a 2" by 2" size, but you can get them in various size options depending on your needs. These are made from a really high quality rubber. They are super flexible and they are very durable. So you can be sure that these are gonna last a long time. And the fact that they have these little ridges on the inside and outside really allow these to grip the floor very well. Whether you have them under a light piece of furniture or something really heavy like this couch, these are gonna stay put and do their job. So I absolutely love these little furniture pads or furniture coasters. They are super effective. It's a really simple design, but they work really, really well. And that's my point of view.